Understanding macronutrients for endurance.
Macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein, and fats are the main sources of energy for the body. Endurance athletes need to balance these nutrients to perform at their best during long runs, bike rides, or swims. Getting the right mix helps sustain energy, speed up recovery, and improve overall performance.
The role of carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates are the primary fuel for endurance activities. They're stored as glycogen in muscles and the liver, providing quick, accessible energy. For most endurance athletes, about 55 to 65% of total daily calories should come from carbohydrates. This supports longer training sessions and helps maintain performance throughout intense exercise.
Protein for recovery and repair.
Protein is essential for repairing muscles and supporting recovery. While endurance athletes don't need as much protein as strength athletes, they should still aim for about 1.2 to 1.7 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. Good protein sources include lean meats, dairy, eggs, beans, and nuts.
Fats, the endurance secret weapon.
Fats are a crucial, often overlooked energy source, especially during longer, moderate-intensity endurance events. About 20 to 30% of your daily calories should come from fats. Focus on healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish to help sustain energy when carbohydrate stores run low.
Balancing your macros for optimal performance.
Finding your ideal macro balance depends on your training load, goals, and individual needs. Most endurance athletes thrive with roughly 60% carbohydrates, 15% protein, and 25% fat. Monitoring your energy, recovery, and overall well-being can help fine-tune these ratios for your best performance.